So, good evening everyone. So today we'll be tackling about lesson 3.2 of business finance, which is budget preparation. So before we proceed to the problem solving part of our discussion, let's first talk briefly about what is budget. Budget is a part of a financial plan which presents the expected revenues, spending, and invested needs of a business organization over a period of time. Business organizations have at least three purposes in creating a budget plan. First is to project income and expenditures, to guide decisions, and to monitor business performance. There are four types of budgets. We have sales budgets, operating budget, production budget, and cash budget. So first, let's talk about sales budget. Sales budget involves realistic projections of the company's sales, revenue, and expenses and how it will sell in a specific period. The formula for sales budget is projected sales revenue equals units to be sold times unit price. So we have here a problem and let's try to solve it with the help of this formula. So for the first quarter of XYZ Corporation, it needs to produce 200,000 units of items. Each quarter, the number of units increase by 15%, and the selling price of these items is 6 pesos. So let's identify the given and what they are. So 200,000 is the units to be sold, and 15% is what we will subject to the 200,000 in order for it to increase every quarter. So we will subject 200,000 to 15% increase, and the selling price is 6 pesos. So this is the general format for sales budget. Sales budget. So we have here the company name, the sales budget, then the year. And in preparing the sales budget, it's important to remember the quarter and 4 quarters, and lastly a year. Then in this side we have units to be sold, unit selling price, and sales revenue, which is the answer in multiplying these two. So first let's fill up the quarters. So the units to be sold is in the first quarter is 200 units. So ito ibutang dire 200 units. 200,000 guys, 200,000. So what unsa to ibutang sa second quarter man? Na first quarter naman ang ihatag. So dili na magamit ang 15%. So ang 200,000 ato punan og 15%. So first button na to ang atong kaon ng 15% sa 200,000. So unsa na pagbuhat? Ang percent ato himo og decimal, then ang decimal form sa percent ato i-times sa 200,000. So the decimal form of 15% is 0.15. So atong buhaton na kay 0.15 times 200,000, which is 30,000. So in second quarter taas ang 200,000 o 30,000. So 200,000 plus 30,000 equals 230,000. So in second quarter ato ibutang 230,000, and may increase na po ni by 15% in the third quarter, which is 230,000 plus 230,000 and so on. So we have 260,000, and in the fourth quarter na naputay 290,000. And sa year ato ra ni i-add tanan ni ato butang sa year. So 200,000 plus 230,000 plus 260,000 plus 290,000. Ang sum ani mo butang sa year. So i-add rin sila tanan para na kayong butang sa year, which is 980,000. Then ang unit selling price for the products is 6 rajud, 6 pesos. So aton siyang butang 6 pesos sa each quarter. Kaya wala may gibutang na mo change ang price each quarter. So 6 ra tanan. 6 6 6 6 6. Then ang operation na nila kay multiplication. So ato i-times ang units to be sold o ang unit selling price. So 200,000 times 6, we have 1,200,000. So our sales revenue for quarter 1 of the year is 1,200,000. 1,200,000. And in the second quarter, the operation is 230,000 times 6. We have 1,380,000 for the second quarter. And for the third quarter, 260,000 times 6. We have 1,560,000. 1,560,000. And in the fourth quarter, we have 290,000 times 6, which is 1,740,000. Lastly, for the year, pwede na nimo siya i-add tanan. You can add all of this and the answer is what we will put in the year, in the whole year. And pwede ra pud nimo na i-times ra nimo ay 980,000 og 6 para masayod imo ra ning bato na 980,000 times 6. 980,000. We have not type 5,880,000. So maon siya ang answers per quarter. So in quarter 1, the sales revenue is 1,200,000. In quarter 2, we have 1,380,000. In quarter 3, we have 1,560,000. And in quarter 4, we have 1,740,000. And overall, in these 4 quarters or the year, we have 5,880,000. And don't forget that the unit of this is pesos. So you can put here pesos. And the unit selling price is in pesos too. So that's all. Thank you.
Man ako sa sales budget. Man na mo.